This video is for entertainment purposes only. Let's roll. Hey guys, I'm standing outside of the Phenomawatch's headquarters, and I'm going to give you a guided tour. Come on, let's go. So we're walking along the grounds here at Phenomawatch headquarters. We try to emphasize creativity, so we have a lot of areas that people can go and, relax and get inspired and become more creative. Here's the iconic waterfall here at Phenomawatch headquarters. I use it for photo ops, things like that, of that nature, backdrop. Also use it to come out here and get inspired, more creativity. So that's what we like to do here at Phenomawatch headquarters, offices and studios. Here's our outdoor area. We could come out and drink coffee, discuss new ideas, study, research new projects. Once again, emphasis on creativity here at Phenomawatch. Unique, creative. All right, so if you remember any of the first videos, this is Studio A. Right now I got a Raspberry Pi project on the desk that I'm going to be working on, hopefully. Throw that together, try to make a desktop computer, have a monitor to go with it. So, wish me luck. Part of Studio A, I have the lighting set up. I have only one light up. My other light's in Studio B. It seems like it does a pretty good light on it, on the whole situation already. I keep my RXO in Studio B. I use that in the field a lot when I go to the range or go out places where I don't want to lug a giant camera with me. Okay, so here's the Phenomawatch offices, and right here I got a plant. It's a artificial plant. I don't really want to deal with a real plant, so I got an artificial plant. And then that's a thermometer. It has a series of little capsules in it that are filled with alcohol, and they raise and lower according to the temperature. The ones that are up there will tell me what temperature it is. I'm currently working on Python. I'm currently trying to train up on that right now and get into Python. Also, here's the PS4 that I have. I also listen to, I put on a lot of, those ambiences that look like cafes and have music in them that they play. They're like little environments. I put those on while I'm researching any new projects here at Phenomawatch. And a lot of offices have a lot of, different things. What this office has that a lot of other offices don't have are these. Yeah. And if anybody other than me gets caught doing that, they're fired. Alright, so here we are. We're approaching Studio B. Studio B is where we do a lot of our assembly on stuff, putting together things, and hopefully in the future I'm going to refurbish all this and have some old surplus flooring I can put on here, and it'll actually give it a nice background. But right now it works for what we want, and we have the tools out, and I just got done doing the robot project, so that's another project that we have going here at Phenomawatch, right here in Studio B. So hopefully you'll be seeing more Studio B and getting out and putting together and assembling more things. Well, I'm bushed. I'm here with my cup of coffee and got done giving the tour. We're just resting now and kicking back with the waterfall here in the background, and we're going to bid you farewell. And hey, don't ever let anybody hate on your headquarters. Don't worry about the haters. Just let the haters worry about you. Hope you enjoy the tour.